When you have higher voltages, it is much more easier to charge a vehicle, because the current will always have to work against the resistance of the copper and the battery itself, which produces heat, and the heat must be transported with a cooling system somehow away, and the cooling system will need energy too, which compares of course for the losses energy in heat. And this is a circle you can't break, so this is just physics that are given. And so when you have a lot of voltage, you need lesser current, and so your system will not be having so much heat and so much losses in heat, and this makes it much more effective. The goal is to have a high voltage to reduce the current in the whole car, to reduce the weight from the copper and the all parts that you need, which are heavy when the current is high, and you reduce the size of the motor itself to reduce the driving compartment as small as you can. The power amount is a very easy formula. You need voltage and you need current, and this multiplied makes the power output, and to raise one of these factors means you can reduce the other one, which means with 800 volt you need much less current to have the same power output, and that's the reason to raise one of them, and voltage is the easiest way. By hiring the current means there are much copper, there are much more weight, and this is a problem, a very obvious problem, of course. We are very happy with the outcome of the project. We have a motor which is fulfilled all our expectations. We have reached the speed of the motor. We have reached we have tackled the mechanical challenges of the project itself. We have when we started the project, we had a very big problem for getting any batteries of this voltage level, but we have faced this problem and solved this problem.